Nice grass, mate. G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Landscaping Secrets. It's Dakota Dundee here, and today we're actually here at BMC, Building Materials and Construction Solutions. So we've had this company for around 15 years. Due to COVID, we haven't been able to come here and keep it up to date. So today we're back with a big crew, ready to transform this place. So let me take you guys over here to show you the damage. We're going to go through the whole property and look for trash, pick it all up before we start mowing. It's a bloody mess. So if you're looking at some of the landscape here, there's a lot of risks, obviously, so we've got to be extremely careful as we go through here. Ditches everywhere. The grass is so long that you can't see many of the holes. Like, look at this here, guys. This is the reason we go for a walkthrough first of all before we start mowing, so we can identify all of these hazards, so we don't have any crew members getting hurt. Good stuff. Trash everywhere. Yeah, so today we're basically going up to about here. So here on, that's what we're taking care of today. It's gonna look completely different by the end of the day. As you can see, look at all the trash in there, boys. Bloody hell, that's a lot. So we're gonna dive right into it, guys. We've gone through everything, done a walkthrough, picked up all the rubbish, identified the hazards, identified exactly what we need to do: mow, trim, cut down vines. Yeah, it's a lot to do, but now it's just about executing it, and yeah, let's smash it. Even these vines growing along this fence line just gives an ugly look, just doesn't look professional. I've done for this part, guys. I'm gonna go up and pick up all the cut down weeds, plants. Protect our hands. This is gonna be fun. Just to get the littlest piece off. Alright guys, we're at a different part of the property now. As you can see, there's weeds everywhere. We need to get these shrubs under control. Pruning needs to be done. Poison ivy everywhere, you look. So we're gonna have to go ahead and spray all that. It's not good, it's out of control. Crikey, look at this, guys. Far out. So this thing's called a ligustrum. So as you can see here, there's a window at the back here. So they've obviously planted this so they can see it, from the window. So we're not going to completely chop it down under the window. We're going to go about halfway, so they can still get a bit of, they can see outside, but they can also see the plant. So yeah, we're going to go try and round this off, guys. This is huge. This is massive. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is the end result. Not bad from where we started. Good stuff. Shout out to the boys. Everyone got in there, worked hard, got it done. Get some last few, these dead pieces. Clean it up a bit. Okay, looks good. Bloody ripper. Happy with this. Let's continue. We got Lenny over here mowing. We did great today, guys. We got everything back to tip-top shape. Started as a mess, but you know, we did a huge transformation today here at BMC. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, it all helps us. And yeah, have a great day. Dundee out.